them. Alive.
Yeah.
Come back to the store when they want the nice enchant table, the nice bedroom set. 50 GB Iron Street.
I see what she nice. Alright. Good for Dex meter. Search the Dex meter.
So what's nice?
Come man. What do you think official? What do you think official, man? Where you come there?
Come on, make it run up nice.
Me see the joke line on the street, you know. What your thing? When people know your thing and who you is, man. Who you is? Trevor. Alright.
Sell bag juice and
Sell bag juice and everything, you see it?
Yeah.
See bag juice them here, you know, people, you see it?
Come at town, we make them come at town to come back, we sell cheap. And you can save back a thing. Enough money you can save back. When you're uptown, you buy one of them Ganti for all $2,000. When you come down here, you get it for 12, you get it for 8 and sometimes. If you really see say you don't have the money, we still will do something for you. And know say everybody has suffer around, we give you all a fight. I know what, so sometimes we even give it too. Because we know say the time hard. Nothing not go on, you know.
Subscribe to the channel, Dex Media. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share and like up the video. Them drop a comment. Yeah.
You don't know the science you can carve it back in Dex Media.
What? Alright, so we have to know the general them there start going and do their thing, don't it? This are your stylist, Majay?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So you say you go here now, where you go? Onion on the sell. And the onion then look fresh and nice, you see it? Yeah man. And things. So alright, so you always there. Every day on there, sir? Alright, so it's a good look then man. So what starting price? So people then can have an idea. 250? Hello. Say mommy. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright, we're there so now people, you see it. So we find them parents and now and you see what going. They must sell some crafting, you know, them thing some nice Jamaican stuff, you know, you see it. Yeah man, how you call them thing, them here put in a ear clip. Nice. And it's a headband. Alright. Then tell the people them want to go on. Not tell them want to go on. Jamaica Day, you see it?
Yeah,
when Jamaica Day? Tomorrow, yeah, for real.
Yeah. So come get the perfect headband and piece and the board them in the girl
You sell them, boy?
$200 a pair. $200 for a headband and piece of 100. You see me? Yeah.
I want one for my daughter. I want one for my daughter.
Advertise a small business and come support a small business.
Alright. Yeah, respect. Alright. You can do it for me, man. you couldn't just go and say a few and big up my thing. Or next time. Alright. Where you think someone should have a vlog and walk? Just walk up the street, see me? Alright. Lady Niger? Hi Sharon. Yeah, them just telling me about your thing, them are telling me say you would advertise a business. Alright, so what's your name, mommy?
My name is Sharon.
So we are Sharon Star now, people. So you sell Sharon?
I sell Jamaica Gantel, I sell Valentine's Day. I'm not sure the Valentine's is over, but I still have chocolate, but I have the Jamaica Gantel them now.
So she have the Jamaican Gantel them over here, so people.
South Parade, you can come and have one now, because remember, so tomorrow at Jamaica Day, and don't make your children leave left out, and like them don't have nobody. So you buy a Jamaica Gantel, tidy them, in a way them have, and make them go. Tidy them, if you can't buy a pants, them must can find. They must can find a jeans pants and wear and show them nationality and show that when we put on a Jamaica Gantel, we show that we is a Jamaican and we love our country.
Yeah, up and running, mommy.
Yeah.
So, mommy, what may I say? Why do you think people should visit Jamaica though? What do you think? Especially downtown. Why people should come to downtown to do their shopping and things? What's the special about downtown?
I'm going to tell you what make you say. You ask me a question, what make people should have visit downtown?
Yeah.
Don't watch the crime and the violence and when people are going to tell you, say, gunshot and fire not coming at town. I lie them at tell. Gunshot fire everywhere. Because them safe when them come at town. You see when them come at South Parade, anytime you hear them ball and say anybody thief them, and most when them move from side because we not make nobody thief because the money they are going to take from you. We want to spread it with we. So when you come around we, you're safe with we. I know what again when feel the people them should have come at town. We make them come at town for come back, we sell cheap. And you can save back a thing. Enough money you can save back. When you're uptown, you buy one of them guns here for all $2,000. When you come down here, you get it for 12, you get it for 8, and sometimes if you really see say you not have the money, we still will do something for you. And know say everybody has supper around, we give for all a fight. I know what you sometimes we even give it too. Because we know say the time hard. Nothing not go on, you know.
True.
The time really hard, so we give away. Sometimes when we see somebody in need, I think we give them. We don't just hard for ourselves and it make us survive. I would feel that them should have come at South Parade. South Parade people them sell cheap, so they should have come at South Parade.
South Parade,
yeah, South Parade, yeah.
Alright, Auntie, bless up yourself, man. I wish you all the best for your business and make your business prosper.
Alright,
yeah, man, in Jesus' name.
See you, I like you.
Alright.
You have faith and you know God, so that means I know God, that's why I go through all the while.
Yeah, man. You put the trust in God, things are going to work out for you.
Christ in the best, I have to smile at the storm, not care what kind of storm you go through.
Yeah.
Because I go through a whole heap of storm.
Yeah. Everybody
but
go through.
Put God first.
Yeah, I see him thing but do the moment. Yeah, man, alright. Bless up yourself, yeah?
This is why everybody come at me because me and the media person. I work on TV, Jill.
You're on TV, Jill? Are you on the media?
They never see me look and say anytime anything at all, I mean them come.
Are you then come?
Yeah, because me I tell them the real thing.
Yeah.
Like how me I get a real deal.
The real deal, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Bless up, you start me off good. Alright. Alright, moment. Yeah, and the media first, you don't want to say nothing. She look like she had the media lady. Alright. Open up my dad. There'll be a music I play over here, so I move away from the whole music over here. So much music I play over here, so be a music. I don't know people, the streets big. Till I never know which path to walk or where to go. Yo. The people have tasties downtown, you know, you see it? Tasties. Oh God! Hello, we can feature for my channel. Could I feature on my channel? Ah! I'm all the way from country, but my first me vlog this side of the world today. Some of us are walking. Yeah, me a vlogger, yeah. So, but you could have endorse your business. Yeah.
It's enough like on a Saturday.
Oh, you know how much things today.
I'm going to show you a blog over a Saturday.
Alright. Over here, sir?
I'm working skirts and blouse.
Yeah.
Me have man pants, short pants. Me have nice dress for any occasion. Yeah, Papa.
Yeah.
I have for the pants, I have the joggers pants, I have the short pants, the chopper short pants. Yeah.
So why should people support you, Auntie? You have the good thing, them, or what? What's
Yeah,
the
man,
about
you
your
have the good
thing?
thing. Yeah, man.
A good thing, them.
A good thing, my friend.
Alright,
Yeah, friend, that's what I set out.
And the price range nice too.
Nice.
They're not word and
Nah,
stuff
for
about
word,
price.
but yeah, discount too.
Downtown.
Come on the depot.
Alright.
Alright, baby, come on the depot.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, yes, so they call it depot. This is depot street.
Yes, I'm at the depot store. No window,
What street?
no
What
door.
street here?
Orange
Orange Street.
baby.
Let's see you here.
Right to the depot store. No window, no door. You just come in.
Alright. Yeah, bless up yourself, man.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah, man, next me there.
Alright, then, darling.
Alright. So much music on video, so man. Like copyright, I mess me about in place ever. Yo, what are you doing, man? You good? Yeah. You know, if you want to showcase something to them, man, big up your thing, man. Big up smarty out there, man. You know, you must have smarty out there, man. Big up. You see it, next me there, and I see the jug line on the street, you know. What your thing? When people know your thing and who you is, man. Who you is? Trevor.
Why?
Alright.
Sell bag juice and
Sell
juice.
bag juice and everything, you see it?
Yeah.
See, bag juice them here, you know, people, you see it? Real Jamaican style. Soon talk to you about that, man. So you say now, how people can find you at the street here? Which street you normally?
Princess Street and York Street.
On your street, alright. And what you would say about the tourists them? It's safe for them come here and
Yeah, man. See ya.
yeah, no harm there. Them can come and do their thing.
Then we see them just enough time.
Yeah. Okay.
Things here.
Yeah, so you highly recommend the tourists them for come to Jamaica and things. Alright, big up. DJ. Alright. Oh, go on. You want to say something can endorse your thing to them, man? You want to showcase something? You don't want to say nothing? Alright. Oh, go on. No, not today. No, not today. No, me I also just like you see it? Hello, nice ladies. How going? Want to say something, please, for my channel? YouTuber. I'm just showcase the place. My channel is all about showing the streets. Me walk and show people what go on. Me promote people business and then something like that. So you could have big up somebody out there. You have nobody out there you want to big up?
Come back glamour store when they got the night in chance to with them.
Yeah.
Alive.
Yeah.
Come back glamour store when they got the night in chance to with the nice bedroom set. 53B Orange Street.
And see what's nice? Alright. Good, but Dex Media. Search Dex Media.
So what's nice clean shirt?
Come man. What do you think official? What do you think official, man? Where you come there?
Come on, make a promo for nice.
Yeah, see how she look good. It's the cartels, everything there town Dex Media. Dex Media. Maybe to follow each other.
Nice clean chance to with them.
Oh, big up a big place.
Nice fireplace, overlook. Fireplace.
Alright.
Come on, glamour store, 53B Orange Street.
Yeah. Everything on the selling.
Ask Lisa, not Disha.
Ask Lisa.
Yeah.
Alright. So I want to sell in here. Can you give me a little brief? So the people can know what going on in
Yeah,
here.
we'll sell everything. Appliance store. I can wholesale.
Alright.
Wholesale.
I want to sell in here.
Wholesale.
Everything. Appliances, furniture. Everything, my people.
Everything. Come on, the Lisa going to for discount.
I want to do layout and all these things, so don't it? Alright. Please remind me of quotes.
Nice things too.
Yeah, I'm glad to
I realize I'm not having a wig.
No, you're still upstairs, man.
What you say? What you say? Come. Here we have nice four-door fridge.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
Anglets. Who don't know say I want a discount?
Yeah.
What am I say? Bam Killery. Alright. Nice store. See there, cooler. Everybody will start a business. They want to get them full of ambition. Put a little juice them in it. Picture frame. Nice picture frame. Blender. Nice clean bedded. Yeah, mirror, everything. Just come a glamour store, 53B Orange Street. Come on Orange Street. I get the nice furniture them. In on a card. No, we're on a card. Video outside, video the name. Come. Glamour of Jamaica, 53B Orange Street. You have Pinky. Yeah. Hi Pinky. See there, video outside, 53B Orange Street. Just come. And they have a nice bedroom set, everything. Cheap, we have all for sale go on. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Dex Media. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share and like up the video, them drop a comment. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right.
Look forward to your subscribers. Alright. Yeah. Alright people, so we are continuing seeing where you see it. See the people. Store the right on the corner right there, so. As in the store go on. You have a next business place over there, so as trendy fashion virtual wholesale. So hopefully copywriting that mess me up still, cause boy I be a music playing in the background. Like over there, so you get the kicks them and everything, you see it? General Decan up and running. Like this big. I'm not even know which part of the street I lead at. General, what street I lead at? Princess Street.